my people? What up, my people? I go by the name MCP, popularly known as, I don't want to talk and come outside again. But today, we don't come to wish our beautiful Damsey, our love, our one in a million. The only love me, the only get me the proof says true love still there. Today na her birthday. Who they talk about so? Silva Meg, aka Boss Lady. Silva Meg, aka Boss Lady. Say a very big happy birthday to you. We wish you long life and prosperity. Age gracefully, live long and prosper, and amen to your secret prayer. He said, now baby, when they try, now guy they dream of to do shout out for. Now woman may get man for mind. Now we they do shout out for. Now woman may they support guy in any area of his life. No matter the distance, if they get the feeling for mind, 24 hours, they put call, you know how they do. Now man, they get feelings for. Say, you are the type of woman that we love, that we deserve, that we are asking for. And so lucky, our guy, our brother, my nigga, constantly have you as one of the prayer points may God don't answer. Silva Meg will say a very big happy birthday to you. Live long and prosper. Amen to your secret prayer and all the best of life. The good heart may get towards my real nigga, my nigga. I beg, keep on me the go. No stand. Now you say me I can't wish you today say because you know if you stay, you know if you day cool without say not celebrate you because you are the only thing that the best thing have ever happened to his life. Now the boss Oga Padabata put the picture for you. This asking one of what Benjo. Or Steino, we say, now you say, I can't wish you this birthday shout out. You say, you love you very much. You say, cherish you. Say, you are the best woman on earth. You say, not get the way to express the word. Say, she is gifted. Than for me, MCP, to call a fan word, talk and come out for PJ language, I make it day like this. Silva Meg, your guy say, he love you. You say, anybody make a point for your matter, you say, as in, now him with her. We gotta fight the battle. Who me with her, go carry my bag, go gotta fight them together, not start because you too much there. That good heart me get. Your guy say me keep on me they keep going. Say you don't know the way we say praise you. You don't know the way we say tell the world say you are the best woman on earth. The honey pie, the only sugar in his team. But only that sugar not dey make sweet past you. You say the love me you get for if you put up for agbegi go break down.
Jesus is Lord.
Anywhere as in you know how you go take express am. Say may God may bless you for your new age. Say may God may he keep to the protect you the go. May he keep you wait for am to the best so that now finally what. For me, I go there. Finish. Silva Meg will say happy birthday to you, long life and prosperity, all the best of life. I joined the host of heaven to celebrate you today because now wife may get as in mom feeling now that they celebrate. All the best of life, man. Keep chilling, enjoy as a bubble. For your prayer point, Odo Asara. As for me, I still joined the host of heaven to still celebrate you today. Happy birthday once again. All the best of life. You know one may celebrate. I go judge down and I go to suffer for 600 years to be here. Happy birthday. More blessing, more continuation, and we will go like that.